Good evening, everybody. We are live at the Esplanade Castle, Royal Edinburgh Military Tattoo at Edinburgh in Scotland. Any moment from now, the Nigerian contingent will be marching in to give their display. Let's watch out for the Nigerian contingents. The Scottish massed pipes and drums are now marching out, being appreciated by the crowd, paving way for the Nigerian contingent any moment from now. If you look at the far end of the drawbridge, we have the Nigerian contingent about to march in, led by the band, the Nigerian Army Band from Gas Brigades.
For the first time to Edinburgh, the music and colourful customs of Nigeria.
Yes, Nigeria represented. Appreciated by the crowd. Nigerian cultural troops entering the fray while the soldiers have formed around defense. There's a story playing out. Story of a marriage. See the man with the collar moving forward, give it to the father of the bride. All the other prominent Nigerian ethnic groups being represented. The soldiers have formed a square showing the all-round defense. Rich cultural diversity on show on international stage. One love, Nigeria. See the crowd reaction. Wonderful, lovely. Silent drill in front, the band forming a circular there behind. Any moment from now, we shall see the civilians charging through the military circles, and the essence is to show harmony between the Nigerian military and the civilian populace. That brief show of expertise, artistry, skill, precision, the Nigerian team will be marching off to provide space for another act. Salute. Marching off. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Being appreciated by the crowd. Crowd is impressed. Well done, boys. Well done. Excellent.